EV Expert, e-learning, diagnosis. Inlet lock control system. Overview. Electric vehicles have lock function in the charging inlet. Today, let's take a look at the inlet lock control system. Inlet lock control system. Inlet lock mode. To charge an EV, there are two options. One is using public chargers, and the other is using personal portable chargers, ICCB. Drivers can choose proper inlet lock mode depending on the type of charger used. First, let's look at the case of using a public charger. There are two types of fast DC charging inlets. The North American type 7-pin combo type 1, CCS1 combined charging system 1, and the European type 9-pin combo type 2, CCS2 combined charging system 2. Auto mode is suitable for using a public charger, and the function is set when the LED is turned on by pressing the auto mode switch. In auto mode, the inlet is locked during charging, so the charging cable cannot be disconnected. But once charging is completed, the cable can be disconnected by anyone. This feature is designed for next user waiting in line for charging. Now, let's look at the case of using a personal charger. There are two types of charging inlets for personal slow AC chargers, ICCB. The 5-pin AC Type 1 compatible with the North American CCS1 inlet, and the 7-pin AC Type 2 compatible with the European CCS2 inlet. Lock mode is suitable for using a personal charger, and the function is set when the LED is turned off by pressing the auto mode switch. The lock mode is to prevent theft of a personal charger. In this mode, the charger can be removed only when the door is unlocked. If the charger is not removed within 15 seconds after unlocking, it will be locked again. If the charger can't be pulled out even after the door is unlocked, there must be a trouble with the inlet lock system. In this case, the emergency release cable can be used to manually unlock and remove the charger. Now, let's take a closer look at the configuration of inlet lock system. Inlet lock control system. System configuration. The inlet lock system is controlled by the IGPM, Integrated Gateway and Power Module, through cooperative control with the OBC. If the BCM sends charging door lock status to the IGPM, the IGPM ICU will control the charging door lock system. In door unlock status, the charging door is also unlocked, so the charging door can be opened. When the charging door is opened and the charger is connected to the EV inlet, the OBC detects it using the PD signal and transmits the connection information to the charger using CP signal. In case of fast DC charging, CCM is in charge of communication with the charger using CP signal. Then, the OBC requests the IGPM to lock the inlet. In response to the request, the IGPM activates the inlet lock actuator and the charging connector is locked. And the IGPM receives feedback from the inlet lock actuator and transmits that information of IG3 relay on status, inlet lock unlock status, and trouble information to OBC. And the OBC shares this information with charging-related controllers like BMU, CCM to perform the charging process. However, if the IGPM sends failure information, in case of combo type 1, AC charging is possible but fast DC charging is not. But in case of combo type 2, all types of charging are not possible. Inlet Lock Control System. System inspection. Inlet lock system function can be checked by the actuation test. Since the inlet lock actuator and relay controlled by the IGPM, select the IGPM in the actuation test menu. Then find Charge Inlet Lock Relay and Charge Inlet Unlock Relay from Test Item. To check current data, select Charge Inlet Control Lock. And Charge Inlet Control Unlock. Select Charge Inlet Lock Relay. Press the Start button. Press the Start button. The operation status of the inlet lock actuator is confirmed by the graph.